Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. Things have got underway here pretty promptly.
Well, Peter, I'm looking forward to seeing a player who has brought some new skills to the game, Ronaldinho. He looks one.
In for a header! He's missed, but not by that far.
Aguero certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Ginter. Pavard. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Just brushed off the ball there. Ginter. Van Dijk. Matic. Ginter. Van Dijk. Hoists it forward. And it's Sterling. Messi did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Now it's Inzaghi. Hoists it high. Defending of the desperate variety. Aguero. Messi. No, ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Aguero! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Aguero simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Good save. He got a decent fist on that. Struck first time. And he's lifted it over.
If he sacrifices some power, he may control the elevation.
Anything, Jim, to pick out of these early exchanges?
Well, both sides seem happy with the patient approach for now, still trying to have a good look at one another.
He's gone for it! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Varane gets it away. Romagnoli. And that has put a stop to that. And it's Aguero. Dembele! It's Dembele! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Messi. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Aubameyang! Well, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Jordi Alba. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho cuts a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get away.
They're just trying to negate his influence, and it looks like whatever it takes.
Jordi Alba. Dembele. Plenty of endeavour from either side, but not much of it in the vicinity of either goal.
Yeah, those longer balls forward are definitely having more of an impact, something that should have been resorted to before now.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And that is as far as they're going to go. Oh, that had to be more accurate. Looking to break out here. That's good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next? Sterling, good run. Where to from here? It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. Ronaldinho. And it's Dembele. Sterling. And it's played forward.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
And here's Aguero. Dembele. And here's Ronaldinho.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Now it's Aubameyang. Van Dijk does well there. Alert. Ronaldinho. And now the breakaway. Sterling, can he get through? Looking to get within range. Timely intervention. Dembele. It's an entertaining game, this. Both teams have had chances, but it is still 0-0. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
It's Aguero! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Played back in. Casemiro. We've got 5 minutes till half-time. Jordi Alba. Ronaldinho. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. And here's Dembele. And here's tries a shot! Same again, same outcome.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Pavard is there, and he can get that clear. Messi finds himself offside. Romagnoli. Van Dijk. Ginter. Sterling. And here's Inzaghi. Goes for goal! It's in!
Well, players of his stature just live for moments like that. Another really important contribution as we near half-time, and it can make such an impact on each mindset. Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Deadlock. And that'll be the final action of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Leading 1-0 at the break. Here we go again.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution.
Inzaghi! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
Van Dijk. Van Dijk goes looking, and it's Inzaghi. Gnabry. Filippo Inzaghi. Pavard. Sterling. Forward it goes. Well read, he sorted that out. Ronaldinho. Casemiro. And here's Inzaghi. Now it's Aubameyang. Filippo Inzaghi. Casemiro. Messi. Casemiro. Jordi Alba. That's not going to make it. Ginter. Ginter plays it forward. Sterling. He's found his man. Neuer is there to take. Ginter. Still just a single goal between the sides. Back into the middle. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Inzaghi, whose goal-scoring skills have already been evident. Pavard. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, Peter, if they're attempting to see out the game with such a narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. I just think they're sending out the wrong message. This could backfire.
Inzaghi tried to play it through.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Messi hoists it forward, and it's Sterling. Ginter cuts it out. The ball's come loose, and the chase is on. Matic tries to get it forward quickly. Oh, good take and a good... Oh, Aubameyang hits it! Hits off target and by quite a way.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Rafael Varane. Jordi Alba. The breakthrough came in the final moments of the first period, and the score is 1-0. Romagnoli. Aubameyang. And here's Inzaghi. Aubameyang. He'll have a go. That has certainly tested the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Sterling. Van Dijk. Romagnoli. Sancho. And it's Sterling.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Just has to be done.
It's Inzaghi! It's a carbon copy of the previous miss. So there's going to be another change here. Played out to the right. Inzaghi spreads it towards the left. And it's played forward. Jordi Alba goes looking. Filippo Inzaghi going for goal!
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Torres! Oh, and that should have been two.
Fernando Torres really thought he'd scored to settle this contest, and he's struggling to believe being denied.
Ball's loose, who's getting there?
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Matic. Fellaini. Rashford. Fernando Torres. And Torres!
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Torres!
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
And Torres!
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Rashford! And in it goes! 2 up and threatening to pull clear.